You see the commercials. Happy chickens on a green farm. A golden crispy nugget that looks like a solid piece of white meat. It's the world's favorite fast food. But the reality of how billions of chicken nuggets are made every year is a feat of industrial engineering that looks nothing like a farm. It begins not with a chef, but with a process designed for maximum efficiency and standardized shape. Let's go inside the mega factory to see what you are really eating. The process starts with the raw material. But these aren't whole chicken breasts. To keep costs down, the industry often uses what's left over after the prime cuts are removed. This is where the most controversial part of the process happens. Mechanical separation. Chicken frames, skin, and trimmings are loaded into massive high-pressure grinders. The machine forces the material through fine sieves, separating bone from the softer tissue. The result is not ground meat as you know it. It is a pale pink, finely textured meat paste or slurry. This is the base of your nugget. To give this paste flavor and texture, it's loaded into giant industrial mixers. Here, it is combined with water, phosphates to bind water to the meat, salt, and flavorings. The goal is to create a uniform, moldable material that will taste exactly the same in every single bite. Once the meat dough is ready, it's time for shaping. The paste is pumped into a massive forming machine. Like a giant cookie cutter, it stamps out thousands of identical nugget shapes. The bell, the boot, the ball, and the bone at incredible speed. Next, the naked nuggets travel on a conveyor belt through a batter waterfall. They are coated in a liquid batter, then a layer of breadcrumbs, and often a second layer of batter to ensure that perfect, thick crunch. Now, for the most satisfying part of the process, the fry. Thousands of breaded nuggets march into a gargantuan industrial deep fryer. It's a river of hot oil. They are par-fried just enough to set the batter and give them their golden color, but they are not fully cooked. That happens at the fast food restaurant or in your oven. Right after the hot oil bath, they are plunged into a cryogenic freezer. This flash freezes them instantly, locking in moisture and preparing them for
Craving more industrial secrets?
Finally, high-speed counting machines pack them into bags and boxes, ready to be shipped around the world. So, the next time you dip that perfect golden nugget, remember, it's not just chicken. It's a triumph of industrial food science, engineered for uniformity, low cost, and mass appeal.